have something new. I've been watching for this for the past 3 days. I haven't slept. Any guesses? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, it's not the iPhone 11. Let's just go ahead and open it. I don't want to spoil it. Let's go ahead and open it. Let me find my knife. Where's my knife? Wait, you're never supposed to cut towards yourself. Don't follow these directions. Last minute guesses. iPhone 12. iPad Pro bezel-less display. Yes? No? Winner is... It almost fell out of the box. This is the iMac Pro. I'm so excited to get my hands on this. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Look at that. It's like a Zen garden in here. Real quickly, these are the specs. 27-inch 5K display, 3.28 core Xeon, 32 gigs of RAM, terabyte SSD, Radeon Pro. I've never had specs like this in my entire life. I don't know if this is what I need or if this was a mistake, but I saw it and it was on sale at B&H Photo, and I bought it. All right, up here, I assume this is like the quick start guide, your accessories, of course, designed by Apple in California. Go ahead and slide that over there. I'm gonna have to set the camera down again to get this because I can't risk anything happening. What is this little mystery box? Power cord, very cool. Oh, this is hefty. Now, everything in the box is space gray or black. Even the power cable, it's not white like on every other Apple computer. It's black, which is an insane attention to detail. I want to check out these accessories. I haven't actually seen the Space Gray Magic Mouse 2 or Space Gray Magic Keyboard in person yet. It's all right. It's all right. We can keep going. We'll keep going. There's no way the keyboard falls out as well. This is why I'm not a vlogger. Setting this computer up actually took a really long time. It kept spinning on the iCloud settings page and then finally proceeded to go through the rest of the setup process. So it took a little bit longer than anticipated. I haven't had a ton of time to legitimately sit down and use it and like experience the raw power. I did edit one video in it so far. It was the 1+6 wallpapers video that I recently put out, and that was really great. Like using the timeline, importing clips, moving them around, actually editing the video was the best time I've ever had. Like it was the best experience I've had in Final Cut Pro to date, which is what I use to edit all my videos. The only thing that really disappointed me on the iMac Pro was the export time on a video that I created, and I didn't expect it to be like insanely better. I wanted it to be a little bit better, but honestly it was about the same export time as what I was getting on my late 2015 iMac, which is obviously a lot less powerful than the brand new iMac Pro. So I'll have to adjust my settings and see if I can tweak it to get it to export things a little bit quicker. Other than that, the entire machine is insane. Like Safari, any application, Pixelmator Pro, Final Cut, everything that you do on it is ridiculously snappy. I've never had this much power before. I've never used a computer this powerful, and I'm definitely noticing that there's just no wait times. There's no load times. Everything just pops on the screen and pops off the screen when you want it to and when you want it to go away, which is a really, really cool thing that I've never really seen with my own eyes before. And at this point, I don't even think I've scratched the surface for what this computer has the ability to do. I've only edited one video, 4K 60 FPS in it. I haven't even tried one of my longer like 10 or 12 minute uploads in 4K to see how fast that would export or to see how responsive the timeline in Final Cut would be there. I'm really excited to continue to use this computer. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a full review on this just because it's been out for around 6 months now, but these are my first impressions and my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun taking this out of the box and setting it up. If you did enjoy, feel free to drop a like down below, and of course hit subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And if you want to help make future videos like this possible, you can head over to patreon.com/update or shop.iupdateos.com to contribute to the channel or get some t-shirts respectively. That would be amazing. For now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I will talk to you in my next video.